Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play Vita Mahjong offline anytime on your phone. First, make sure you have downloaded the game from the App Store. Open your app when you are still connected to the internet. Next, complete few levels online if needed. Some features or progress need an initial online connection. After that, the game usually lets you play offline without issues. Turn on airplane mode or disconnect Wi-Fi. Open the game and you will see the most levels are still playable. You can match tiles on points and unlock levels offline. Save your progress regularly. Some offline games sync with your account later, so when you get back online, your scores and unlock levels will automatically update. You can play on the bus, plane or anywhere with no internet. Vita Mahjong offline is perfect for passing time while still having fun. And that's it. Download the game, complete initial levels online, go offline, save progress and play anywhere. Now you can enjoy Vita Mahjong on your phone without Wi-Fi or any internet connection. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.